This is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to the internet network. Should it be Wi-Fi or cellular, but I highly recommend that you use the Wi-Fi for it. Next, launch the Google Play Store, log in if necessary. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera browser to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can simply launch the app and undergo a very simple setup procedure, which is required each time you install the Opera or download the first instance or whatever. So in here, tap on this blue continue button, choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser. I'll skip this step. Then you can customize the permissions and access that you're going to grant to Opera. I'll simply allow everything that it needs, but in case you would like to customize them, just tap over here and you can start using the browser from now on. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.